So today we will continue to work on Crawloria.com, which is for now at least it's a tool for answering two questions about your e-com website. First, can AI agent actually buy something from there? So can it go through your website? Can it open the right tabs? Can it open the right pages? And can it actually put some goods to the cart? And can it actually proceed to the moment of payment? And the second one is it visible for AI, like ChatGPT or Google AI overviews? And it shows how much traffic can it attract if you will be on the top of this rank. So today we will work with three AI agents. First one will work on the tool. Second one will work on LinkedIn posts. And this is very important because the whole idea is to do free audits of the GTC brands, which are active on LinkedIn, and do free audits for them, and write posts for them in LinkedIn, and that's how I plan to get some traction. So let's ask to make a research and choose DTC brands which are active on LinkedIn, and I will explain my idea to this agent. And the third AI agent is AI agent for applying to startup accelerators in Silicon Valley. This is a really good thing for your startup because it will give you networking, it will give you boost to your startup, it will give you some funds, and probably the most important, they good accelerators, they help you with intros to potential investors, and so that's how you can raise funds for your startup, which is nice because if you have money, you will have it like resources to scale, which is nice. And here we are using Google Chrome MCP, and actually it's really amazing. I enjoy it very much because now I don't need to do it myself, and this thing can apply for these accelerators for me. This is awesome. Claude Code session, but it shows that 77% of context already used, which is weird. Probably it's some kind of legacy from the previous session because it doesn't make any sense. Let me check which model. Oh, we're using Sonnet. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, we don't want to use Sonnet. Yes. So yeah, that was huge actually. So this is tricky. And wait. That's tricky because for one of my tasks previously today, I choose Sonnet because I was running out of the tokens. But I forget to switch it back, and now all the job is doing on Sonnet, which is not cool. Sonnet, if you have Opus 4.8, we don't need to have to use Sonnet. Well, but to be honest, for these tasks, probably Sonnet is not bad but still, if you have tokens and I have tokens, I prefer to use the. So plan for today is to create and pre-schedule and schedule maybe 3-5 posts, and for LinkedIn, and we will schedule it to automate like for future posting via TypeFully. TypeFully is a free tool actually, which can automate your posting on. We submitted our second accelerator, which is really nice, and without much of my efforts, which is nice. I do like this post. It might not work. Well, I mean, there is not guarantee that it's gonna work, but it looks nice. Why do I like it? Because we will tag the brand. This brand is active on LinkedIn, so because the founder of this brand is active on the LinkedIn, and we show how many searches, and we actually give them some compliments, which is really nice. The very important thing is to make sure it's not a bullshit, right? So double check it, fact check it, make sure it's not a bullshit in this post. Okay, submit. Yeah, and the third AI and third startup accelerator, which is nice, which is really, really nice. I don't need to even create these pictures myself. I just create the API key from NanoBanana. I give it to my AI agent, and I make it. I teach it some rules how to do prompt engineering for NanoBanana, and you will see the results soon. We will generate some pictures for our LinkedIn posts, and pictures are good for LinkedIn posts because well, they make it funnier, and they. I think now we should focus on promotion. We should focus on LinkedIn posts because so you can polish in your tool endlessly, right? You can polish it like forever, but you don't really you like digging, like you working blindly. But if you keep focusing on traffic, on the like attraction traffic and marketing, you can quicker understand does it even make sense? Is it even valuable for TTC brands? Is it even valuable for your clients? And so your product shouldn't be perfect. I feel like there is two options. Either our first option is that okay, our tool is actually valuable for a market, right? If it's so, we will even in this shape of form, current shape. And if it's valuable, we will find evidence of that on LinkedIn. But if it's not valuable right now, it's not gonna be much valuable, much more valuable after this polishing. So first comment. Yup. We just done the first comment. First our first LinkedIn post, which is cool, which is really cool. First comment is very important as well because it helps to push the algorithms. Schedule tomorrow. Yep. Victory. Yep. Okay. Okay. Today is gonna be, yeah, we will do two more posts, and we will automatically schedule them via TypeFully, which is nice. Tuesday. Very convenient, guys. I don't know. Very convenient. We just scheduled 3 posts. Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Very nice. Okay, guys, we will wrap up the stream for today. So we polished our tool a little bit today. We scheduled and created 3 LinkedIn posts. And we applied for 2 startup accelerators in 1.5 hours with stream. Pretty good result. So yeah, see you guys. Thank you.